Yo, what's going on, guys? To make a long story short, I broke my car again. I don't know what I was driving normally. I was on my way home from the store. I had bought some tools. I was with a buddy. I was at a red light. Light turned green. I went to go put it into gear, and there was nothing there. And you know, first thought, oh, maybe I just missed whatever. I tried to put it in gear again. No, there was nothing there. Now, I've had times before where like cables will pop off. So I ripped the center console apart quickly because, you know, cars are behind me. People are starting to get annoyed. I put my hazards on. I take the center console apart quickly and I look at the cables. Cables are fine. I quickly go pop the hood. I go and move the gear selector, the shifter selector on the transmission. And it's like I have no gears. Now I'm gonna go quickly into the shed and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm in the shed right now. You know, this is my intake, all that. I'm gonna quickly take it off so I can get a better view and show you guys what's going on. So this is a shifter selector on Type S transmission, right? So the way it works is you got two cables. One controls the gears to go in and out of the gears, and then to select which gear you're gonna go into. That would be first, second, third, fourth, you know, like that, right? But as you can see, nothing's going on. Now I actually happen to have a transmission over here, and I'll just demonstrate what's supposed to happen. You see? You see the clicking? So when you shake the neutral left and right, you're doing this practically. And then you go forward and back, you're doing this. So you select which gear you want to go into, right? Now my car, my transmission that's in there right now, it's not doing any of that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the shifter selector. I hope I don't have to swap this transmission because it's like -7 outside right now. I'm literally in my, there's snow on my car. There's snow on my car. It's freezing. I'm wearing a winter jacket. I'm wearing 2 pairs of pants. It's freezing. So I'm gonna quickly take the shifter selector apart. I'm gonna show you guys best as I can, get all the angles. And see what's going on. Hopefully it's just the selector that broke. So let's get into it. We got the cables disconnected. It's freezing, guys. Like, yo, it's cold outside. Now we're gonna take these 10 mils off. Yeah, like, see this? Something's not right. This is how it's supposed to move. Like this. Alright? This, something's broken. Something's broken in this transmission. There's a little Allen key down here that you gotta take out. And then there's gonna be 4 10 mils. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 under there. In there, you see? Let's see what's going on with the transmission, shifter selector. Uh-oh. Stuff is already, I could hear stuff coming apart. That's not supposed to happen. Wow. Okay. I guess we know what the issue was. Shifter selector springs in there. Yeah, that's no good. That's no good. I just spent some time taking all the pieces out. I think I got everything. So it looks like this bolt goes in here and it holds everything together, right? It must have gotten loose and everything came apart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the shifter selector out of that transmission and make sure I have all the parts here to make a complete shifter selector so that I know that I got all the pieces out of the transmission. Because the last thing I want to do, I'm going to be honest, is take this transmission out again. So I just pulled the shifter selector out of this transmission. I'm pretty sure it's never been taken apart. And I'm going to make sure I have all the pieces in here from the broken one, so that this one could be, you know, I can put this one in and I know that the transmission's fine. So I'm going to get going to that. Alright guys, we got the good shifter selector and the one that's in pieces. So I'm gonna see if I can reassemble the bad one and see and make sure, you know, I got all the pieces. Let's get into that. Okay. I put it all back together. This is literally the first time I'm doing this, by the way. Literally, as I'm showing you guys, I'm learning. I put it all back together. I was able to, you know, make it all work. So that's the clicking motion that I didn't have before. But this bolt was stripped. I see the threads are a little bit damaged, so I'm not even gonna try and put it fully together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up and I'm gonna do a little tutorial on how to put it back into the transmission, and then we're gonna start her up and see if she moves. All right, so I'm just gonna get a little razor blade to clean this off. All right, cleaned it all up. Look at that, nice and shiny. Now I'm gonna go assemble it in the car. So I put it on just like that, and we're gonna go put this on the car. So we're at the car now. I'm just gonna grab the scraper, scrape anything that'd be on the surface over here that'd stop it from being a nice clean fit. See, so you gotta line it like that, with this in the center like that, or else it won't go in. Okay, so just like that, guys. Put it in like that. I'm gonna grab my 10 mils. Okay, this one and this one are the long ones. So they're crisscross. There's gonna be two bolts this length, and then 2 bolts that length. So one's short and one's long. 2 long go like this, and then the 2 short go like this. And tighten. Okay, moment of truth. That's reverse. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Reverse. Let's go. Okay. Okay. And then we cannot forget this bolt over here. It's a little Allen key. This goes, I'm gonna put a little bit of RTB on this. This goes down into that hole, okay? I'm gonna put that in there, tighten that up. Okay. Okay, mint. Okay, I'm gonna plug everything up, and we're gonna start the car and see if she drives. Oh yeah! Okay, all good, all good. Gonna check the oil, because why not? Mint. All right. Okay, here goes nothing. All right, guys, Everything seems to be good. The car's barely running because I don't have an IAC. I know I'm yelling. It's super cold start. The car is idling super low because I don't have an IAC. I'm gonna put the hood down. I'm gonna back it out, and then yeah, we're gonna go for a little drive, okay? Time to drive manual with one hand. We're just gonna go around the block, and then we're gonna end the video there. Just making sure everything's good. It's so hard driving with one hand. Yo, this is insane. Oh man. Okay, time to clean up the mess I made in the shed. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Covered in snow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.